Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great today. Right now, I want to introduce you to something a little unexpected and very interesting. The all-new 2026 Dacia 500. This is Dacia's bold step into the compact urban car space, and it's designed to deliver smart efficiency, modern tech, and everyday practicality without losing that signature Dacia value. This new generation is all about better refinement, cleaner powertrains, and a design that finally feels playful yet grown up. The 2026 Dacia 500 is built on the updated CMF-B platform, which already underpins several proven models in the Renault group. Thanks to this architecture, body rigidity has improved noticeably, giving the car better stability and safety while also sharpening the way it handles around town. In terms of size, it measures about 3,650 millimeters in length, 1,680 millimeters in width, and 1,500 millimeters in height, with a wheelbase of 2,420 millimeters. Track width sits at roughly 1,470 millimeters front and rear, while ground clearance is a city-friendly 160 millimeters, making speed bumps and rough patches less stressful. Design-wise, the front immediately stands out with slim LED headlights, a closed-off grille for improved aerodynamics, and neatly integrated air curtains that help smooth airflow. Along the sides, you'll notice clean body lines, optional 16 or 17-inch alloy wheels, and some attractive two-tone color combinations that give it real personality. Around the back, the LED light signature looks modern and wide, paired with a redesigned bumper and a subtle roof spoiler that improves both looks and efficiency. Step inside, and the cabin feels far more mature than older Dacias. The dashboard layout is simple but modern, with better quality materials and soft touch surfaces where it matters. You get a 7-inch digital instrument cluster and a centrally mounted 10-inch infotainment screen, running the latest Dacia interface with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The seats are more supportive. Front legroom measures around 1,050 millimeters, and rear passengers get about 880 millimeters. Ambient lighting adds a nice touch at night, and storage space is well thought out. Boot capacity stands at 260 liters, expanding to around 900 liters with the rear seats folded. Under the hood, the 2026 Dacia 500 offers a range of efficient options. There's a 1.0-liter petrol engine producing 67 horsepower, a mild hybrid version with 90 horsepower, and an LPG option aimed at ultra-low running costs. A full hybrid variant combines a 1.6-liter engine with an electric motor and a small battery, delivering around 140 horsepower through an automatic gearbox. Acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour takes about 9.5 seconds in the hybrid, with top speed near 180 kilometers per hour. Fuel consumption stays impressively low, especially in the hybrid, averaging around 3.8 liters per 100 kilometers. The suspension is tuned for comfort, soaking up city bumps easily, while braking feels stable and predictable. Trim levels range from Essential to Expression and the fully loaded Journey. Higher trims add features like Matrix-style LED headlights, a 360-degree camera, premium audio, heated seats, and Level 2 driver assistance systems. Pricing is expected to start around €14,000, rising to about €19,000 for the hybrid models. For the money, the 2026 Dacia 500 delivers standout value, combining modern tech, smart efficiency, and everyday usability. So if you're looking for a compact car that's affordable, stylish, and genuinely practical, this one deserves your attention. Let me know what you think of the new Dacia 500 in the comments, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in the next one.